Most people think wealth is about luck, about earning more money, or about waiting for the perfect opportunity. But the brutal truth is that the richest people avoid the habits that keep everyone else poor. And if you're not careful, you're practicing those habits every single day without realizing it. It starts the moment you wake up. The tiny decisions you make, the way you spend your time, the way you react to money, all of it compounds faster than you can imagine. If left unchecked, these habits trap you in a cycle of financial struggle. Habit 1. Mindless spending. Most Americans wake up, get their morning coffee, maybe order breakfast on the way, pay bills without reviewing them, swipe for things they don't need, and somehow convince themselves it's normal. Small purchases feel harmless, but over time they add up to thousands of dollars leaking out of your bank account, money that could have been invested, saved, or used to create assets. Awareness, not just discipline, is the key. Noticing every dollar and asking, does this move me toward freedom or away from it? Habit 2. Ignoring your financial literacy. People spend hours scrolling social media, watching funny videos, following influencers, but almost never invest 30 minutes a day learning how money works. How does compound interest grow wealth? How do taxes work? What are the best investment strategies for someone under 30? Without understanding these fundamentals, you're navigating a battlefield blindfolded, letting luck dictate your future while others build empires quietly around you. Habit 3. Living paycheck to paycheck without a plan. Most people don't even know how much they spend each month or where it goes. Bills, subscriptions, impulse buys, emergencies, they eat away at earnings before they realize it. And suddenly you're always short despite working hard. The wealthy understand that money should serve them, not the other way around. They budget, track, and allocate money to growth, fun, and future, ensuring every dollar is working toward their long-term goals. Habit 4. Letting your environment dictate your financial habits. Your friends, your family, your social circle. If they spend recklessly, avoid investing, or chase instant gratification, you're likely following suit. Habits are contagious. Being surrounded by people who buy luxury items they can't afford, binge on takeout, or gamble with money creates a subconscious blueprint for your behavior. The only way to escape this is to consciously choose mentors, communities, and media that promote financial intelligence, delayed gratification, and asset building. Habit 5. Failing to plan for emergencies and ignoring investments. Life is unpredictable, and without an emergency fund, a single unexpected expense can wipe out months of progress. Yet most people prioritize consumption over protection and growth. Investing, the key to making money work while you sleep, is delayed because they feel it's too early or too risky, ironically missing the power of time and compounding. These habits aren't dramatic. They're invisible, subtle, and repeated daily, which is why they're so dangerous. Every dollar spent without intention, every hour wasted, every financial concept ignored, and every asset foregone is a brick in the wall keeping you from freedom. But here's the good news. None of this is permanent. Awareness alone begins to dismantle the cycle, and replacing just one habit at a time with intentional, wealth-focused behavior creates compounding results faster than you think. Imagine tracking every expense, understanding where your money is going, automating investments, building an emergency fund, and surrounding yourself with financially intelligent influencers. Within months, your mindset shifts. Within years, your net worth transforms. And it all starts with recognition, realizing that daily habits, no matter how small, dictate your financial destiny. If you're serious about breaking free, the first step is admitting you've been practicing these habits. The second step is committing to replace them. And the third is taking daily action relentlessly. Wealth is not reserved for the lucky or the talented. It's reserved for those who master their behavior, control their habits, and act consistently. Most people live reacting to circumstances, letting small, invisible habits dictate their financial outcomes, and wonder why they never get ahead despite working hard. But you can change that today. You can choose awareness over ignorance, intentionality over chaos, and growth over comfort. Replace mindless spending with mindful budgeting. Replace ignorance with financial education. Replace paycheck-to-paycheck living with planning and automation. Replace toxic financial environments with mentors and communities that push you forward. Replace procrastination with consistent investing and protection. Do this, and the invisible habits keeping you poor become the visible habits making you wealthy. And here's the ultimate truth. Wealth is not about money. It's about freedom, options, and control over your life. Money is the tool. Habits are the foundation. One builds, the other sustains. Break the habits that keep you poor. Master the ones that build you, and your life will change faster than you ever imagined. The 5 daily habits that keep most Americans poor are not dramatic, but they are deadly. Left unchallenged, they will silently drain your bank account, your confidence, your time, and your options. But the moment you confront them, the moment you replace them with intentional wealth-building routines, you break free from mediocrity and step into the path of compounding freedom. Today you have a choice. Continue repeating invisible habits that keep you poor, or act intentionally, replace them, and create a life of financial freedom, abundance, and control. Awareness is free. Small daily actions are free. But the results are priceless. Your future self will thank you. Your financial freedom will thank you. And one day when you look back, you'll realize that the only thing standing between you and wealth was invisible 5 daily habits that you chose to change. So, start today. Track your money. Learn about money, budget, build emergency funds, invest, surround yourself with wealth-minded people. Replace destructive habits with constructive ones. Slowly, consistently, relentlessly, your life will transform. The invisible walls keeping you poor will crumble, brick by brick, habit by habit, and finally, you will understand that wealth was never about luck, inheritance, or magical opportunities. Wealth was about daily habits, repeated consistently over time, with awareness, intention, and relentless action. Break the invisible chains. Build habits that serve your freedom. Master your money. Master your life, and never look back. Once you understand that your habits create your wealth or your poverty, everything changes. The 5 daily habits that keep most people poor will no longer control your life. This is your wake-up call. The time is now. The choice is yours. Start small, start consistent, and start today. Because your 20s and 30s are too valuable to waste repeating invisible habits that keep you poor. Break the pattern, take control, and become the architect of your financial destiny.